Hi, everyone! Today we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's round, weatherproof outdoor ceiling lighting. The product package includes 2 accessory packs. One product unit. First, use an electric drill to loosen the 4 mounting screws around the edge of the lampshade. Next, remove the retaining ring from the edge of the lampshade. Remove the 4 mounting screws from the lampshades, mounting rings, and set them aside safely. Remove the lampshade. Remove the white waterproof ring. Place the product base where you intend to install the product. Then mark the location and drill the holes. Insert the 3 screw sets from the accessory kit into the holes. Connect the power cord from the product base to your push-in. Quick connect terminal. Align the product with the 3 screw sleeves and place it in position. Then insert the 3 mounting screws from the accessory kit into the screw sleeves. Install the white lampshade, being careful not to let go, and reattach the retaining ring you removed earlier. Please do not let go, or the lampshade and mounting ring will fall off. Reinstall the 4 screws from the mounting ring that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.